would it be effective to spray my crepe myrtles with dormant oil? The last 2 seasons, I've had problems with aphids. Do these pests winter over, or do their eggs survive the winter, or am I wasting my time? How about neem oil as a proactive treatment? And this is Rick from Corinth, Mississippi. So, Peter, seems like aphids are everywhere. For every plant species, there's an aphid species.
And guess what? There is a crepe myrtle aphid.
Yes, there's a crepe myrtle aphid.
And
right.
they only eat crepe myrtles.
Golly, how about that?
Yeah, so crepe myrtle aphids are kind of interesting.
Yeah.
Because they do overwinter with eggs on the small branches. But during the growing season, they give live birth.
Yeah.
So the last season of the year lays eggs. I don't know how they know it's the last season of the year, but they lay eggs. So yes, a horticultural oil would take care of that problem. I'd recommend spraying it towards the end of the winter, just as it starts to warm up, but before the crepe myrtle leaves out.
Sure.
And then you can do that if that doesn't completely take care of the problem, because some of them do fly. So if your crepe myrtles are not the only crepe myrtles that have this problem, if your neighbor's crepe myrtles have the problem too, you're not yes, you'll reduce the problem, but you're not going to eliminate it. They're going to be there during the growing season. During the growing season itself, you could use a systemic insecticide. Or maybe you could go over to your neighbor and say, hey, we have this problem. Can I spray horticultural oil on your trees too? But neem oil or a horticultural oil, a dormant oil, that should take care of it.
Yeah, you can definitely do that. And again, we're talking about the dormant oil. Yes, you can use dormant oil. Just make sure that you look at the temperature ranges, right? Anything above 40 degrees, you can go ahead and spray.
And one thing you want to when the bark all the leaves out there, you can see little cribbs and crevices. You can get off in there too. Make sure you get all over the tree. Got to spray the entire tree, most of what you can in there to get rid of them.
Right, because the oils are going to smother.
Smother, in there.
So that's what you're looking for, right? And then I like to add this too. He asked about the neem oil. You can use neem oil. You can use that in the in the spring or in the summer. You just read and follow the label on that. And the thing with neem oil too is it's versatile, right? It's antifungal effects as well.
Two things.
So yeah, I mean that works.
That's
just in case you might have a fungus on your crepe myrtle.
Ready to get rid of that too.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, Peter's right. The aphids are going to be there. You're not going to get all of the eggs, right? But yeah, just spraying those cracks and crevices. I think you'd be fine.
Talk to your neighbor too, like Peter said. Talk to him. Make sure you do the same thing.
Aphids will be there. Trust me.
If you see them again, just spray with neem oil during the summer.
Yep. Spray. Yep.
But you have to get good coverage because once again, something's going to survive. You just want to reduce the number that do survive.
Yeah, something is going to survive, but I do highly recommend Mr. Rick using dormant oil. I definitely do. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.